Excel Module 3, Skills Review, Step 1. I've already downloaded the student data file and saved it. 1B, on the first quarter worksheet, which we are on, select B3 to D9, then use the quick analysis tool to enter the totals. And again, you can enter totals however you like. I'm not a fan of the quick analysis tool. I'm just going to select where I want my answers and click once on the auto sum, and that's all we need to do. The quick analysis tool is here, and it's a few more clicks we would have had to go over here. In cell G3, we're going to figure out the percent increase based on the first quarter revenue from previous quarters. So what is our increase? And this is the same math that we actually did in Module 2. So all our formulas start with an equal sign. And we need to use our order of operations here. We're going to subtract the first quarter revenue. Actually, we're going to subtract the previous from the first quarter and then divide by the previous. And here you'll notice that these cells are not already formatted as percentages. So if you wanted this number to come out as a whole number, as a percentage, we could have multiplied by 100 here. If you want to see the percentage sign, then this formula here is perfect, and then we can just use our tool up in the number group, and we're going to add a couple decimal places and copy that down. For step 2, we're going to create an if function to show that if the increase is more than our target increase, then the quarter revenue target has been met. Otherwise, it's been missed. So that formula will look like this. Again, you can create your formulas the ways that you remember to create them best. There is not a right or wrong way. So I'm going to start typing and using the formula autocomplete. It's called equals if, and here's my if function. I'm going to double click to get it started. And we want to know if this number is greater than or equal to this number, and I know that I'm going to copy this formula down, and I want to compare all these numbers to this number. So this cell needs to get absolute cell reference. I'm going to hit my F4 key for my $ shortcut. So if the value is true, then we want to see the word met, comma. Otherwise, if it's false, then it's missed. When we use words for our answers, we need to put them in parentheses. If we were using the numbers 1 and 2, they would not need to go in parentheses. And I'm going to click on my check mark and drag this down. And we can pretty much see that anything 10 or above is met and everything else is a miss.